What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about connecting external devices in Studio One. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about connecting external devices in Studio One. It's very, very easy in Studio One. Honestly, Studio One makes it only a couple clicks, man, and you'll be up and running in no time. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check this out. All right, family. So right now I'm going to show you how to connect external devices here in Studio One. It's very, very simple, especially if you're using a popular device. It's really no steps needed. So all you're going to really go to is configure external devices. You'll click on that. And as you see, here's the screen. There's also a bunch of other options. You have general, you have locations, audio setup, external devices in advance. You're going to stay here on external devices. This screen right here will list out all the external devices that you have connected. If for some reason your external device was working, then it just stopped working, I like to just go on here, click on it, then hit reconnect. Once I hit reconnect, 9 times out of 10, it will start working again. Some devices require new driver updates and stuff like that in order to work. Like this fader port 8, man, if it's a new update, this thing will not work correctly. Even with Studio One, you have to update it in order to keep it fully functional. So that's why I'll go here, test the reconnect. If the reconnect doesn't work, then I'll go in and try to investigate a little more. But like I said, this is the main screen. You could have these set up already. Hit the edit. It'll edit it. You may want to change the input or something like that. You can hit remove or replacement. So we're going to go to add. Like I said, man, if it's a popular product, Studio One already has this thing set up. So you have like some Access stuff, some Akai stuff, Behringer. You have pretty much any popular item that's already here. They even have the Rolly. Things are pretty cool. I want to try it out. Some Yamaha stuff. They pretty much have everything. So let's go to setup. Let's find one. Let's go to the Akai MPK Mini. Really, really, really popular. Right now, all you would do is plug in your Akai MPK Mini, receive from. You will select the Akai MPK Mini, then send to. You will select the Akai MPK Mini. That's it, man, when it comes to Studio One. So something like this. This is my Atom SQ setup. This is exactly how it's set up. Receive from, send to, and I would just hit OK, man, and that's it. It's not hard at all to connect external devices in Studio One. They make it fairly simple. So if you what do you do if you don't see the product that you have on here? If it's a control surface, you simply click on this control surface. You'll do receive from, send to the exact same way. If it's a virtual instrument, if it's a keyboard, you'll set it up the exact same way. It's not rocket science to it. Like I said, Studio One makes it very, very simple. It's not like some other DAWs, man, where you have to jump through a bunch of hoops in order to set up external devices. Studio One is very, very, very simple. Yes, sir. Like I said, connecting external devices in Studio One is very, very, very easy, man. I'm telling you, Studio One is the DAW to go to, baby. They make things so effortless and easy to do. Do me a favor. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.